Headlights are the most important thing in a car, especially at night. At night, headlights bulbs work just like your eyes. The more brighter light means more clear visibility. So make sure you chose the right one. Here are the five best headlights bulbs available on Amazon. Number 1. Nilight D3S HID Bulbs. It provides excellent brightness. D3S HID bulb features a 6000 kelvins diamond white, and its light output is 150% brighter than other bulbs for brilliant downward reflection. It has great longevity. D3's bulbs reach the high production standard and perfect final inspection, providing a service life of 3000 hours for long-lived illumination. Just plug and play. Double-check your vehicle headlight type. D3's bulb only compatible with HID headlight assembly, not halogen type. Its efficient power, 40% more mitigation compared to other bulbs, with super focused and bright beam. It produces a high concentration of light. Number 2. Philips 12362B2. It provides original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Be sure always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Headlights dim over time. Headlight bulbs by Philips, for over 100 years, and they have been continuously innovating automotive lighting. Number 3. SEALIGHT LED Bulbs. It provides 600% high brightness. SEALIGHT H11 LED Bulbs kit are 6 times brighter than halogen bulbs. Super focused bright 6000 kelvins xenon white light, enough to replace your yellow stock bulb. 0.10 minutes installation. 1-to-1 design with halogen bulbs, plug and play, non-polarity socket, just direct replacement of factory halogen bulbs, easy to install without any modification. 20-year lifetime. H11 LED light lifetime is 60 times longer than the stock lamp because it utilizes an advanced heatsink measuring just 0.72 inches and features a driver for increased performance. IP68 waterproof. The H11 LED bulb has been rigorously tested for durability and waterproof. You can drive in all kinds of weather conditions, whether it is raining, snowing, or heavy fog. Number 4. Philips 9012CVB2 CrystalVision. The choice of all leading car manufacturers. Choose Philips CrystalVision Ultra headlight bulbs for the look of HID and get bright white light on the road. A unique blue cap on the bulb creates a cool blue effect in the headlamp's reflector in daytime. Original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Number 5. Hella H4P50TB plus 50 performance bulb, up to 50% more light output than standard bulbs, which provides you the best lighting performance, giving performance-oriented drivers additional safety time and comfort on the road. Original equipment quality bulbs you can trust from a global leader in automotive lighting technologies for more than 100 years. All bulbs are produced under HELLA's stringent testing requirements. You know this is a brand that can be trusted. Performance plus 50 bulbs have a wider and brighter light. Filament design has been optimized in silver top coating so that the bulb is nearly invisible in the headlight.